Have you also ever wanted to send the same WhatsApp message to all your customers without sending it one by one? Maybe you're launching a new product, running a festive sale, or simply informing your customers about an important update. Now imagine doing this manually for hundreds or even thousands of contacts. Not only it is time consuming, but it's also simply not practical as your business grows. This is exactly why businesses use WhatsApp broadcast. WhatsApp broadcast lets you send the same message to multiple customers at once, while each customer receives an individual WhatsApp message in their own chat. Unlike a WhatsApp group, or your customers don't see each other's numbers or replies, making it much more professional way to communicate. That's why businesses uses broadcast for. So first of all, they can use for product launches, promotional offers, festive wishes, and much more. But here's a challenge. Creating a broadcast manually every single time takes efforts. Won't it be better if we could manage the broadcast from one place and send them right to the audience whenever you need? This is exactly where Pabbly Chatflow comes in. With Pabbly Chatflow, you can create WhatsApp broadcast campaigns, target specific customer segments, personalize your messages, and communicate with your audience at a scale, all from a single platform. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'll show you how you can create and send WhatsApp broadcast using Pabbly Chatflow step by step. So you can reach your customers faster, save time, and make your business communication much more efficient. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free because you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow today. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, and it is just for you because you watch our YouTube videos. Okay, so now let's see how we can send this WhatsApp broadcast. I'll not take much of your time. I'm just going to explain it very quickly. First of all, you have to make sure that you come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added this till now, make sure to add your WhatsApp number. This is the first and the most crucial step. The video tutorial on how to add your WhatsApp number is attached in the description box below. If you want, you can refer to that and learn how to do this step by step. Otherwise, you can just click on this add WhatsApp number button and add it directly from here too. Now, once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add broadcast button. Once you come on this add broadcast button, choose your broadcast type as broadcast campaign and now name your broadcast. I'm just going to name it as new product over here. Now let's just move in further. Over here, we have to choose the contact list. So as you can see, I've created multiple contact lists right over here. If you also want to create one, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section, and from here you can create contacts and contact list inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn more about this contact section, the video tutorial is there in the description box below. Refer to that. I'll just let you know very quickly what is this. You can simply create a new contact list from here, and then once you create the contact list, you can choose it right over here. You can choose multiple contact lists according to your own choice. Now it is saying refine audience, which is optional. So over here, if you want to exclude some contacts, you can simply exclude some contacts right over here, or you can also exclude some contact lists to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. Like this, you can do this WhatsApp broadcasting in particular targets. Apart from that, there's one more very useful feature which says exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. So the contacts who message you within the last 24 hours will be skipped so that they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. So let's say my team is chatting with a user related to the new arrivals of bag, or let's say some another topic related to my store, and in between, if we send this broadcast, that's not professional at all. So that's the reason reason that this is the very important feature. You can just switch on this button and make sure that the redundant broadcast should not be sent. Okay, that is saying select the message type, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you want to go for a regular message, you can go on this regular message, choose the message type according to your own choice, and then type the message. But if you want to go for the template message, you have to select the template message first, and now you have to make sure that you create a template. So in order to create a template, from the left of the side, go on this template and then template list. First of all, you can go on this explore templates. We already have some templates created for you. What you can do is you can simply use these. Otherwise, you can go on this template list and create the template yourself. You can click on this add template. You're going to get two options, generate with AI or add template yourself. So if you want to generate it with AI, you can go ahead, generate the template with AI, or if you want to create it yourself, you can create it directly also. Once you create the template, we're going to see all the list of the templates: pending, draft, rejected, and approved. So over here, first of all, Meta is going to approve your template, and once Meta approves your template, then only you can select it right over here to send it towards multiple customers or leads. So you have to go on the select WhatsApp template and choose your template. So over here is my template, which is new arrivals alerts. So I'm just going to select the same. Over here, I've attached the image in this template. So how I'm just going to get this image? For that, I'm just going to go on this upload from media library, and I've already added my image right over here in this media library. If you haven't added this image in your media library, you can go on this add new image button, and from here you can choose a file. You can go on this choose a file and upload it directly from your PC too. And once you add the image in the media library, you just have to choose the image and click on this insert button, and the image will be inserted. Then you have to click on this done, and this message is perfectly fine and set it up. Over here, I'll just let you know a quick, very good tip. What you can do is when you send this WhatsApp broadcast, you can include the name of the customer or the lead in the WhatsApp broadcast. Like this, they will feel that you have sent the message personally towards them. Because when we send broadcast, we generally don't include the name. So if you want to include the name, we have a separate video on that, like how you can send personalized WhatsApp messages in bulk. I'm just going to attach the URL in the description. You can refer to that. Right now, I'm just going to let you know about the WhatsApp broadcast in a very brief and a quick format. So that's the reason I skip that part right now. Okay, so as you can see, I've successfully entered this template message. Now let's just move on further. Over here, we have to enter the username and the phone number. So what is this? Before we send this WhatsApp broadcast to multiple customers or leads, we want to first test it, like if the message is going fine or not. So in order to test this is a very useful feature. You just have to enter your username. Let's say I'm just going to enter it as test user, and the WhatsApp mobile number to whom I want to send this test broadcast. Now let's click on this send test message. Okay, this saying test broadcast sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and I'm just going to receive a new WhatsApp message right now, right over here, because this test broadcast is sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp, and you're going to see, yes, this is a one unread message, which is a new message which is sent right now. This looks perfectly fine to me, and I can send it to thousands at once now. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply schedule this broadcast. So you have two options to send this broadcast. You can send it instantly or schedule it for later. So if you want to send this instantly, go on this no send instantly and then add broadcast, and this broadcast will be sent instantly. If you want to schedule it for later, you can go on this yes schedule for later and choose the date and time in the calendar right over here. And I'm just going to schedule this broadcast, let's say for 3rd of July 1 p.m. So let's just click on this add broadcast button, and now this broadcast is scheduled for 3rd of July 2026 1 p.m. Once this broadcast is sent, what is going to happen is I can view the stats of this broadcast. So let me just go on the send section, and we're going to see this broadcast was sent recently. So I'm just going to view the stats of this broadcast. How many were sent, delivered, read, ignored, pending, and failed. You can check all these stats directly from here. How? You can just see over here was sent 22, delivered 20, read 12. Like this, you can also view the stats, and for the failed, you can directly resend them the broadcast too. Okay, so like this, we have successfully learned how to send WhatsApp broadcast to our customers and leads. So right now over here, Pabbly Chatflow is offering a free trial, so you can try this for free. You can send up to 100 of messages for free to all your customers. So go and try this, and further, if you like it, don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. My team is always ready to help you out. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.